Hello everyone, welcome to CodeTut. In this tutorial we will learn about different operators in Python. So let's start with the first operator, which is arithmetic operators. So basically the arithmetic operators are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponentiation and floor division. Okay, so these are some of the basic operators which you must be knowing. So how addition is performed in Python? So here I have taken two variables, a is equal to 100 and b is equal to 200. A plus b is equal to 300. This is the output. So this is the addition operator. Okay. Now for the subtraction, you just have to write a minus b and you will get the result. First I have initialized two variables, a 100, b 200, and a minus b is equal to minus 100. Here I am not storing result in any variables. You can also store result in some another variable like this, and you can then print the output. Print, here you have to write the name of the variable and run the statement and you will get the output. So in this way also you can store your output in one variable and then you can print the result. In Python, when you perform multiplication, so generally asterisk is used. So this is the multiplication operator, a into b. If I run this, I'll get the output. Again, if I am storing this in some another variable like z, then in that case I will not get the output, but you can print the output by writing the print statement here. So write z and print this and you will get the output. Similarly, to perform the division, you have to use this slash operator, a slash b. So a is 100, b is 200, a slash b is 0.5. If you want to store it in some another variable, you can do that. Run this statement and you will not see the output. For that you need to write one more statement, which is print x, and you will get the output. Now in case if you need remainder, so this operator is known as modulus operator, and when a number is divided by some another number, in case if I divide 100 by 200, in that case the output will be the remainder. So if you want the remainder, then in that case you should use modulus, and if you want quotient, then in that case you should use the slash operator. So again the division will be performed, but the output is the remainder. Okay, so again I'll take some another variables here. Let's take x is equal to 500 and y is equal to 100. So here the output should be 0 because modulus gives us the remainder. So if I run this, the output is 0 because when 500 is divided by 100, the remainder is 0. So that is the function of modulus. Modulus returns remainder. Now the next operator, arithmetic operator, is exponentiation. Exponentiation means raise to operator. So in case if I take two variables, let's take a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 5, then the output will be 2 raised to 5. Okay, so let's run this and we got the output, which is 32. So let's take simpler one, 2 and 2. So a asterisk asterisk b means a raised to 2. Exponentiation operator is written like this, double asterisk. So a raised to 2 is 4. Let's run this. So here is the output. So in this way the arithmetic operators are used in Python. So let's go back and take a quick revision. So the first one is addition, a plus b. The next is subtraction, which is a minus b. The next is multiplication, which is a into b. This is asterisk. Then for division, a modulus a slash b. This is the division. The next is the modulus operator, which gives us the remainder as the output. If I write here 10, then also I will get 0 as the output. And now I am taking y is equal to 101. Now let's see what we get. So this is the remainder, 96 is the remainder. Now in case if you want to use exponentiation, then this is used, which is a into. This is a double asterisk is used. Double asterisk means exponentiation, a raised to b, and here is the output. Again you can store it in some another variable. Run this. We got no output, but if I write the statement print, and inside this print statement if I write the name of the variable and if I run this, I will get the output 4. So this is all about arithmetic operators in Python.